Namaskar Dosto. Welcome to Infinite Logics. I'm Vijay Suasia, and in today's video, we'll take our first steps into the world of programming with Python. If you're a beginner and curious about coding, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language. It's widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. Its syntax is clean and easy to read, making it a great choice for beginners. Before we begin coding, let's set up Python on your system. I'll guide you through the installation process, step by step. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Now that Python is installed, let's write our first program. We'll start with a classic, the Hello World program. This simple program will help you understand the basics of Python syntax. In programming, we work with data. I'll explain how to use variables to store and manipulate different types of data, such as numbers and text, in Python. Understanding how to control the flow of your program is crucial. We'll cover if statements and loops, which allow you to make decisions and repeat actions in your code. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed your first taste of Python programming. Don't forget to subscribe to Infinite Logic X for more tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave a comment below. Happy coding!